Utah law requires criminal background checks and ongoing monitoring of all employees and certain volunteers. District Policy GBN, Employment Background Checks, outlines the relevant procedures and requirements. The district does not conduct background checks of employees or applicants licensed by the State Office of Education. This is done instead by the state office. The district will receive notification of updates to an employee's or volunteer's criminal history. All other employees and certain volunteers are required to submit to a background check by the district prior to employment or volunteer service. The process includes fingerprints and permission to access state and federal criminal history files. Applicants for employment are also required by law to submit to a reference check in which the district requests information from certain past employers regarding any employment action or discipline imposed for physical or sexual abuse of a child. Likewise, the district is required to respond to requests of any potential employers of former district employees who were disciplined by the district for physical or sexual abuse of a child. In addition to the background and reference checks, all employees are required to report arrests, citations, and charges for these categories of offenses within 48 hours or as soon as possible. This report is made to the superintendent or director of human resources. Convictions or other results of cases resulting from such an arrest must also be reported within 48 hours. When arrest or conviction information is received, or when a background check reveals such information, the district will promptly review it and determine the appropriate discipline, including employment status. Employees should report to work unless directed otherwise. In the case of licensed educators, the superintendent is required to report offense, arrest, and conviction information to the State Office of Education within 48 hours. In such cases, the district will cooperate with the state office in conducting investigations. Employees who are disciplined for information obtained through a background check or monitoring are entitled to the due process granted under applicable district policies and may respond in accordance with those policies.